Okay, so hi guys, we are continuing the DSA course and we are on strings, and this is the question. Count palindromic subsequences. As the name suggests, given a string you have to count the number of palindromic subsequence. Answer is integer. You know what is palindrome, you know what is a subsequence, like, yeah, but how can we count the palindromic subsequence? Are we going to do something which goes over each subsequence? Answer is no. How many subsequence? N 2 raised power n, right? Each character has an option to come or not come, right? Take or not take. That is what subsequence is. Take, not take, take, not take, take, not take. 2 raised power n. All subsequence, then you see whether it's a palindrome or not, palindrome or not, palindrome or not, into n. So that is n into 2 raised power n. Not gonna work. Like because n is up to 1000. 2 raised to the power 1000. Okay, very good. Um, so what is gonna work is that we know, like, what we know around strings and palindromes and subsequences and something like that. Like, we know many things, but one of the things which I'm focusing is we know longest common subsequence. Finding out longest common subsequence. Can we find out all common subsequence? Something like that we need to search. Also, we know longest palindromic substring and longest palindromic subsequence. Got it? So longest palindromic subsequence is straight away put as the longest common subsequence of the two strings, which is s comma reverse of s. So this t is reverse of, when this t becomes a reverse of s, and we find LCS between s and reverse of s, that gives us longest palindromic subsequence. Okay, now what is subsequence? Okay, is it fine for longest common subsequence? So first, let's solve that question. I think longest common subsequence, or just see that question. So yeah, that is it. Key, if this becomes equal, so you go for 1 plus dp of I minus 1 j minus 1. Otherwise, you always have an option of this. So this is same thing like what we have done over here in a thoda sa different way. One is to define dp. 'After this dp, what can be done? 1 plus dp of I minus 1 comma j minus 1. And now I'm saying key, you can print dp of ij, which will give you the longest common subsequence of this. Huh. For each ij, which means, say, like, yeah. Yeah, so I'm saying that what is this? Ij is basically, yeah, key. I'm taking I number of characters from string s1, j number of characters from string s2. Answer for that is, we know, dp return, we return something like dp of n comma n. That will give me longest palindromic substring subsequence. But I want all. How can we find longest of it find one in out palindromic subsequence in the given string. देख लेते हैं यार चलो अब easy हो something. So अच्छा, really? Is it like that? Instead of should I do plus? LPS is longest palindromic, CPS is count palindromic. If I is equal to j, you have two cases. Now, this is also a common type, kind of just like longest palindromic subsequence require two different string. All are good questions. Chalo, already 30 minutes, so now we can code this. Okay, it's something new. Like I did not knew this is also so much standard as longest palindromic subsequence. There exists something like longest count of palindromic subsequence, total palindromic subsequence. Okay, nice. But if you are given two strings and instead of LCS you have to count common palindromic subsequences, CPS, you can create a DP. Size would be same. Instead of that, we can say 0 to n dp of I comma I is equal to 1. Now what it needs to do is that at last, are you adding everything? Are you adding at last everything? CP of 0 comma n minus 1. Okay, ठीक है, fine. And also they are going lengthwise, so that is very important in terms of palindromic questions. This is length goes from 1 say n plus 1. So your I goes from 0, j is equal to n minus 1, j goes to n, I plus plus. No need of actually t. And very important part to know about this is how is it coming? This is coming from this. minus that minus 1 comma j plus I plus 1, sorry, comma j minus 1, and same minus of I plus 1 comma j minus 1 cancels out this, and plus of this, so these two gets cancelled out. I plus 1 है, j minus 1 है. This is the thing. dp of I not 1 but just dp of I. Okay, what I'm saying is that ठीक है, तो जनरली हम इक्वल 3 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. मॉड्यूलर लेने से चल जाएगा आई थिंक, अगर यहाँ पे आके फंस रहा है तो केवल एक मॉड्यूलर से चल जाएगा. लेट्स ट्री 1 से 2 पे जाके फंसा है. मॉड्यूलर से चल जाना चाहिए अगर 1 से 2 पे जाके फंस रहा है तो. ठीक है, फिर पूरा मॉड ले लेता हूँ मैं ठीक से. मतलब यार हो सकता है 1 से 2 पे जाके फंस रहा हूँ टेस्ट केस सही ना. लाइक गलती क्या लग रही है तेरे को? मेरे को गलती ये लग रही है कि 2 लेंथ के लिए सही से चलता नहीं है. जो लॉन्गेस्ट पैलिंड्रोमिक सबसीक्वेंस भी है उसमें भी 3 से स्टार्ट करता हूँ मैं, बिकॉज टू लेंथ के लिए एस ऑफ आई इज इक्वल टू एस ऑफ जे होता है, तो 1 + 1 + 1। दो लेंथ के लिए कैसे चलेगा? I + 1 J - 1 कैसे चल जाएगा भाई? सुभान चांद सिफारिश करता। ठीक है। चौबीस मिनट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, as soon as you are getting something to learn and CPS is something new, but are you clear with the logic कि भाई I से लेके J, I से लेके J, yeah exactly, I to J, what is the count of palindromic subsequence? तो if I and J are equal, तो एक चांस है मेरे को palindrome का यहाँ से, that between you get like I + 1 to J - 1, वहां तक कितने count of palindrome subsequence है? 1 plus that, because वहां पे जितने भी होंगे, ठीक है, उसको +1 क्यों? बिकॉज ये दोनों आगे जुड़ जाएंगे। दो सब्सीक्वेंस, दो पैलिंड्रोमिक सब्सीक्वेंस थे यहाँ पे। ठीक है, तीन थे, ओके। बड़े वाले जुड़ गया, ठीक है। प्लस एक आई से जे माइनस वन, जितने भी थे वो जुड़ गए, ठीक है। एंड आई प्लस वन से जे जितने भी थे वो भी जुड़ गए, ठीक है। मतलब बड़ा पैलिंड्रोम जो प्लस वन है ये सबसे बड़े पैलिंड्रोम के लिए है, लाइक जो एक नया बना है। कि देखो यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ था, ठीक है। यहाँ पे कुछ पैलिंड्रोम ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टेड था, एंड इधर एक कैरेक्टर आया है एक्स, लेट्स से। इधर ऑल्सो एक कैरेक्टर है एक्स। यहाँ पे एक बहुत लंबा जो सबसे बड़ा पैलिंड्रोम होगा उसके आगे पीछे दोनों ये जुड़ गया, तो दैट इज वन फॉर दैट कि भाई ये पैलिंड्रोम ये बना है। वरना लाइक यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितने पैलिंड्रोम्स हैं, दैट इज मैंने पहले कैलकुलेट कर लिए होंगे, उसमें नया एक्स इंक्लूडेड है ऑब्वियसली। उसका लास्ट कैरेक्टर भी ये एक्स होगा, बट ये मैंने पहले कैलकुलेट कर रखा है, ठीक है, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग लेंथ वाइज। तो बिफोर सीइंग दिस लेंथ मैंने ये देख रखा है कैरेक्टर, ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है। और सिमिलरली यहाँ से यहाँ तक का देख रखा है, इसका फर्स्ट क्लास कैरेक्टर एक्स है। नॉट नेसेसरीली, बट दैट इज ऑल्सो काउंटेड, ओके। बट देन प्लस वन और एल्स अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो आपको बस ये देखना है कि यार यहाँ से लेके इसको इंक्लूड करने के बाद यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितने थे, प्लस यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितने थे, ओके। Count of palindromic subsequence new, okay. Chalo, that's all about it. We will remember this one, count of palindromic subsequence. Okay, bye.